Wagwan, what's great? Chef here, John Morris again, man, saying enough love and big up my people. And see, this video is a little bit about me and about what's to come in the future. So if you want to see more of what's to come, continue watching and you'll see Wagwan.
We know about sardine, mackerel, bully beef, chicken foot, chicken neck, chicken back. Nothing a waste, nothing a dash way.
I'm talking about creating a new channel. So this channel will be an FMF channel. What's FMF, chef? It's family, music and fun. You know the thing. Oh yes, you think food like that tonight? No man. We're gonna keep the food strictly for Morris Time Cooking. And don't you worry, Morris Time Cooking will upload 2 to 3 times every week with even better content. So even if I have an next channel, now give up the food. But a lot of my friends has been saying, yo, you need to create a channel because your vibe, people need to know your vibe. I love your vibe, and we just have a road with it. You know what I say? Because a year ago, friends and families were saying, create a cooking channel, show how you do certain things, because we love how you put up a little video on your Facebook and all these things. And I said okay. So we do it, we check out some camera. So look, start a little thing, jam in my bar. When I first created this channel, I created it based off the feedbacks I got from my family and friends. Everybody used to say, send me some recipe in general, please. And you know me, I said, I was so busy with work. So I said, alright, how am I going to do this? And the idea come from 2014 to make a YouTube channel. But I wasn't so savvy with YouTube. Yes, I'm savvy with a computer, but I try to make an account and it never worked out. So I just left it out. But you don't know the thing. But fast forward to 2017 now. Wife look for me one day and say, yo, we need to start the YouTube, you know. And I said, big one thing, I really talking because I cook all of this food. My son, I can't always say to him, say, daddy can't cook, you never see a picture, you never see a video. I say, no, I'm going to put it out there. For my son's purpose and for the purpose of the younger generation and the new up and coming home cooks that are not so versatile in the kitchen, that would love to be versatile. The new wives will say, yo, I want to cook for us, and the new husband will want to cook for wifey too. You know the thing about make it look like man can't cook. I want to them. But honestly man, so to come on to the students, I was once a student in high school. Food and nutrition and things start, isn't it? And then we move on and we do the thing. But in high school I never really had that push. If you say alright, have a platform like I created now, if you say okay, I can go on Morris Time Cooking and watch how to do this and how to do that, so I can better be prepped for my exams. So if you know of any students out there, you know me, I say going to high school doing food and nutrition, of anybody wanting to say okay, you're new to the kitchen and want to learn Jamaican, international, anything, not just cooking, but we teach life skills here. We teach how to play, we teach how to choose your foods and what to buy, when to buy and stuff like that. A lot of videos are coming. So if you are already prepped in those areas, well, these videos may not be for you. But if you want to watch it and give it a support, I appreciate that. You know what I say? So leave in the comment section if you want to see more content like this. But if you say regardless, I'm going to show it, because as I say, I do it for the newcomers and for the youth then. You see me? If you don't have any family member, anybody for that matter, that wants to learn the basics of cooking, link them up man, Morris Time Cooking, the thing go. Share the thing to them, give them as a gift, and I guarantee you they'll appreciate it, trust me. Because if I had a platform like this, I did well in school, but I'll do excellent. Because yeah, teach me how to do nice skills, which I never learned until I moved on to culinary school. You feel me I say? So I want to bring forth everything that I know, even for boil water. If you don't know for boil water, I want to show you. I want to showcase my talent, and hopefully, as I'm saying in my bio, go over there and read about us and read about what we wrote. We wrote that from day one, and we edited the other day, because this channel was premeditated, thought out, and say okay, we are going to do it such and such way. You are going to see a lot of Jamaican meals, because of course I am Jamaican. You know what I say? For those who are saying in the comment section, chef, we want to see more of you, we like your vibe, we love your vibe. Here we are going now. This is the perfect opportunity to get to know your chef. head on over. I just created a channel. It only has 1 subscriber, and that is Morris Style Cooking. And that's a big deal because you have to be your first supporter, you have to be your first critique, you have to doubt yourself first and pick yourself up. You know what I say? You have to believe in yourself first, you have to love what you do first before anybody else can love it. So I subscribe to myself first and you can go over and join on. You know what I say? So over there I'll do vlogs. I don't know the general into music. Dancehall to be specific. You may listen a little bit of reggae and a little bit of hip hop, but I strictly dancehall to me thing for those who didn't know. 1 and 2 time I go on a little family trip and I go here and there and I see the vlogs out there and I say, no, we can do that something there. Enough people say, youth, why you don't make a vlog channel? Because I see them, so them tell me, you know, make a cooking channel. Because they see some chef out there, they don't act like your brother. Hot chef name. But big man thing, go over there. The name of that YouTube channel that I created is GAMP TV. That's GAAMP TV. The agent might say, so oh GAMP jump in. Don't worry yourself. We thought of everything, you know. You feel me? I say so GAMP. GAAMP. 5 letters. You can't miss it. And of course TV 7 days of the week. You don't know 7 times or 7 times 4. The thing makes sense, man. No. Now go so now. G in a GAMP mean God. A mean A, as in AH, a papa will take the thing. And then the next A again means agent, says me catch you know my name then I hit. And the M mean Morris, catch you again, my name in a hit again. And the P mean provider / protector. And my thing that, you know what I say? I'm gonna come up with it and say, yeah, come, the thing there. You see me? And you don't know, ink in my skin, you know. This is my life, my lifestyle. I like piercings, I like tattoos. I don't have no money yet to kind of ink up the skin. And nobody comment and say, chef, nobody mark up your skin, this and that. Love me life. But big man things still I like ink. You know what I say? GAMP TV. So subscribe to it right now. If you want to get to know me more. If not, just know what the thing I just want to watch out the food channel, you see me? Because over there I won't be posting anything about food, and on here I won't be posting anything about my personal life. This channel is strictly cooking the thing there. Me not gonna be one of them channels that in the future. You see me a vlog. No, unless me a vlog about a shopping haul, because of course that's food related. I'll show you how I choose my different foods and so on and so forth. And currently speaking, this video is recorded Tuesday, January, brother. This video is recorded on Tuesday the 3rd of July 2018 and it's approximately 12:47 p.m. and currently we started our YouTube channel off back in 2017 and we're now at 14,000. I want my good phone there. I don't want to tell a lie for myself and the people that must support the thing, isn't it? So let me get the numbers up. Come on, man. What the phone I'm so slow? You talk about a foreign phone and it's a slow. And that, yo, I dash man for dash this too, you know. So I'm gonna refresh this real quick. So yeah, we are at 14,044 subscribers. Well, I can say 43 because I subscribe to myself, GAMP TV. Is that weird? No, I tell you I have to support my thing first. I just want to say thank you to everybody for subscribing to the channel, for suggesting us to someone else. You know what I say? We appreciate the thing that build up the motivation, that build up the spirit, and that just help me to continue pushing. Hey, I could put videos out every day, but that means a quality over quantity. You feel what I say? So you have to get, in my opinion, at that moment, at my capabilities, the best edits, the best quality. If the video is too dark, I will not get a proper sound and I can do something about it, I will not put that video out. I want to create more content, so support the thing, share the thing, promote the thing, tell a friend to tell a friend, build up the community more if you want to see more of Morris Style Cooking. I'm going to have GAMP TV as a vlogging channel, but trust me, I'm going to ensure that twice per week or even 3 times, but not less than 2 times per week, you have to see cooking videos. And the standard Naga drop, it will only go up from here. So once again, thank you very much for watching and thank you for making it Morris Style Cooking it head on over to Gam TV if you want to see me in full effect in my vlogging about music, just lifestyle videos and a whole. You know the thing. Big up wife, big up my mother, big up my brother, then big up my son Jamir, big up my nephew, big up my in-laws, big up the whole of my family and my friend them. Big up my timers them and big up all my enemies because I wanna put me up. I'm not gonna make me go higher. No flow, give thanks. Until next time, safe travel on the gravel and go and big up on yourself.
See another dinner for later. But know you fast girl, you never tell me. Cause any man can feed you. So that's why you always take me to the kitchen. Yeah, yeah, yeah.